Apple is back with its most ambitious smartphone lineup yet, the iPhone 17 series. This generation redefines design, power, and luxury across every model, from the entry-level iPhone 17 to the groundbreaking iPhone 17 Pro Ultra. Let's take a closer look at each one. The iPhone 17 keeps Apple's iconic flat-edged design, but pushes refinement further. Its slimmer bezels and matte glass back give it a sleek and modern look, while the new vibrant finishes in Midnight, Starlight, Blue, and Product Red make it stand out. The 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display finally brings 120Hz refresh rate to the base model, delivering ultra-smooth scrolling and gaming. With its dual 48-megapixel cameras, low-light shots and cinematic 4K video look sharper than ever. Powered by the A18 chip on the latest 3nm process, performance is faster yet more efficient, while the upgraded battery lasts 20% longer than the iPhone 16. For those entering the Apple ecosystem or simply wanting a colorful, powerful device, the iPhone 17 is the perfect fit. The iPhone 17 Plus takes everything from the standard version and makes it bigger and bolder. Its massive 6.7-inch screen is perfect for binge watchers, gamers, and anyone who loves immersive content. With the same dual 48-megapixel system, enhanced by advanced image stabilization, video capture feels incredibly smooth. The A18 chip keeps everything fluid, while the larger battery allows nearly 2 days of casual use. If you want the same performance in a larger form factor with extended battery life, the iPhone 17 Plus is built for you. The iPhone 17 steps into a class of its own. Built with a titanium frame and brushed finish, it feels both premium and durable in the hand. The display is a stunning 6.1-inch ProMotion OLED with adaptive refresh rates from 1 Hz to 120 Hz, providing sharp visuals while saving battery. The triple-lens camera system introduces Apple's first 48-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, capable of delivering up to 10x optical zoom. Performance is powered by the A18 Pro chip with dedicated AI engines for advanced photography, augmented reality, and console-level gaming. Added features like next-generation satellite communication and integration with Apple Vision make this one of the most futuristic smartphones Apple has ever created. For those who want it all, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is the ultimate machine. It boasts a massive 6.9-inch edge-to-edge ProMotion OLED display with curved corners and unmatched brightness levels, making it one of the most immersive smartphone screens ever built. The titanium body keeps it strong yet lightweight. The camera system matches the Pro but includes an exclusive ultra-zoom mode with up to 30x hybrid zoom, opening new possibilities for photography enthusiasts. With an enhanced GPU and the A18 Pro chip at its core, it's a beast for high-end gaming and professional video editing. And thanks to its record-breaking battery life, you can push it for 48 hours without worry. Finally, the crown jewel of the lineup, the iPhone 17 Pro Ultra. Apple has unleashed its most powerful smartphone ever, designed for those who demand nothing less than perfection. It comes with an aerospace-grade liquid metal chassis for supreme durability and a stunning edge-to-edge 7.1-inch micro-LED ProMotion display with breathtaking clarity. The camera system sets a new benchmark, a quad-lens setup with a 200-megapixel main sensor, periscope ultra-zoom, and advanced LiDAR 2.0 for spatial photography. Inside, the A18 Ultra chip redefines what a smartphone can do, with neural processing speeds built for AI, AR, and next-gen gaming. The battery supports up to 3 days of usage, paired with lightning-fast MagSafe 2 charging. This isn't just an iPhone, it's Apple's vision of the future of technology in your hand. The iPhone 17 series proves once again that Apple is not just making phones, it's creating experiences. From the accessible base model to the futuristic Pro Ultra, there's a device for every user, every lifestyle, and every dream.